Today I will make a video about how to make Mongolian yogurt filled cake. Okay, let's prepare the ingredients. 200 gram yogurt, 250 gram low gluten flour, 50 gram milk, 3 gram baking powder, and some butter. To make the yogurt more fluid, I added some milk so that the batter is smoother. You can add the appropriate amount of milk depending on the density of your yogurt. Pour the yogurt into a bowl. Add some milk into the bowl. Mix the milk and the yogurt well. Take the flour and add baking powder into it. Mix them well. Pour the flour into the adjusted yogurt. Mix them well until it turns very smooth, like this. Melt the butter with low heat. Put the batter into the fry pan. Keep frying with low heat until the bottom of the batter turns hard. Then roll it over. Keep frying another side until the color turns brown. Okay, it's ready. Next time I will make another video about how to make Chinese tomato beef stew. If you are interested about it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. See you next time!